Sugar stops hiccups fast. Swallowing a spoonful of sugar can stop hiccups faster than any old wives' remedy you've heard. It's not about sweetness, it's all in the texture. The gritty sugar crystals actually overstimulate your vagus nerve, sending a rush of signals to your brain. This intense sensory input distracts your nervous system from the hiccup reflex. Your brain's focus shifts, and the spasm in your diaphragm gets reset, almost like rebooting a glitchy phone with a single button. Forget holding your breath or drinking water upside down. The sugar method works in seconds because it hijacks the very nerve that controls hiccup spasms. Next time hiccups strike, grab a spoon and regular table sugar. Let it dissolve slowly on your tongue and notice how quickly the hiccups vanish. Science in action, right in your kitchen.